Alright, today we're going to make beets. That's what I have in this grocery bag. Okay, get some of these broke off. Yes, these look very intimidating, don't they? I probably never made beets from scratch before, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Cut these off. Keep the leaves. You can steam it and eat it. Okay. Alright, put this stuff to the side. Okay, now we have 3 beets. I think I'm going to make, probably gonna make just 2 for now. And all you have to do is just cut the tips off. Or the bottoms. Throw these away. And then just rinse them off very well. Go ahead and rinse this one off too, I guess. Okay, now we're just going to find a microwave safe dish to put them in. I'm going to have to put this one at a time because I have a smaller microwave. I would prefer that you put saran wrap on top, but since I don't have any saran wrap right now, I'm just going to lightly place the lid on top, and we're going to put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, so it lets it steam, and then after 5 minutes, just take it out, let it rest for a bit, then peel it off, and you can dice it the way you want. That's about it. Okay, put it on there for 5 minutes. Start. Transfer this. Okay, now beet number 2. Okay, this is the second beet. One thing I forgot to mention in the first one is that you add a little bit of water at the bottom before you actually put the saran wrap or the lid lightly on top. That helps the steam process. Okay, second one, going back in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Okay, now since it's all cooled off, peel it, and then just chop it up. Should be easy to slice through, and then just dice it the way you want. You can add sea salt on top, or just eat it plain like this because it tastes really good like this, and whatever other recipes you want to try. I made a lot because I am cooking for more than 2 people. I think I could probably eat this all by myself. Remember, it's a superfood. So enjoy.